Assessment and commissioning of electrical substation grid testbed with a real-time simulator and protective relays power meters in the loop. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Electrical utility substations are wired with intelligent electronic devices, IEDs, such as protective relays, power meters, and communication switches. Substation engineers commission these IEDs to assist the appropriate measurements for monitoring, control, power system protection, and communication applications. Like real electrical utility substations, complex electrical substation grid testbeds, ESGTs, need to be assessed for measuring current and voltage signals and monitoring, power system protection, control, synchro check, and communication applications that are limited by small measurement percentage errors. In the process of setting an ESGT with real-time simulators and IEDs in the loop, protective relays, power meters, and communication devices must be commissioned before running experiments. In this study, an ESGT with IEDs and distributed ledger technology was developed. The ESGT with a real-time simulator and IEDs in the loop was satisfactorily assessed and commissioned. The commissioning and problem-solving tasks of the testbed are described to define a method with flowcharts to assist possible troubleshooting in ESGTs. This method was based on comparing the simulations versus IED measurements for the phase current and voltage magnitudes, three-phase phasor diagrams, breaker states, protective relay times with selectivity coordination at electrical faults, communication data points, and timestamp sources. Introduction. This study focuses on the commissioning process of electrical substations and grid testbeds, which are essential for ensuring that power system protection devices, meters, and communication tools work correctly under real conditions. Commissioning is a crucial step before conducting experiments to avoid incorrect results. It involves verifying the operation of protective relays, power meters, and control systems to ensure they match their design specifications. This includes measuring things like voltage, current, power, and time delays in protective relays during faults, while also ensuring proper coordination between primary and backup devices. For more accurate measurements, high-frequency sampling and synchronization with universal time are required, especially in systems with distributed energy resources like solar or wind power. The study also introduces a novel method to commission these testbeds using real-time simulations and hardware-in-the-loop technology, where simulated power systems interact with physical devices. This approach helps identify and solve problems in power system testing before real-world implementation, ensuring the system operates as expected. The method uses flowcharts to compare simulated data with actual device measurements, ensuring accurate power system operations and protection. Conclusion. This study introduces a new method to assess and commission an electrical substation grid testbed, ESGT, using real-time simulation, RTS, and intelligent electronic devices, IEDs. The method involves comparing simulated data with the actual measurements from devices like power meters and protective relays. It focuses on key aspects such as voltage and current measurements, phase rotation, relay times, and the coordination between primary and backup protection devices. By doing this, the system can identify errors in the device readings and ensure everything operates as expected, such as verifying breaker trip states during faults and checking communication messages. This approach helps fine-tune the system and ensures accurate performance before real-world testing. Future research will explore additional applications, such as detecting faults, monitoring power quality, and assessing the impact of cyber attacks on protective relays. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.